Introducing Project Simon Says, a commanding expression of heritage reimagined. This E.C.D Custom Defender 110 is a bespoke commission, tailored precisely to our client's vision, finished in an immaculate full-gloss Fuji white, elegantly contrasted with black accents. It rides on 20-inch Kahn Mondial retro wheels, wrapped in BFG all-terrain tyres, offering a perfect balance of refinement and rugged capability. This Defender 110 is outfitted with a 6-point full external roll cage, a classic front bumper, and powerful illumination via a Hella 50-inch Blackmagic light bar up front, complemented by dual Hella LED rectangular mini bars in the rear. The interior is a study in modern craftsmanship. A Momo Nero steering wheel sets the tone for the cockpit, paired with sleek Autometer Envision digital gauges that provide contemporary clarity with motorsport flair. Both the front and mid-row Recaro orthoped seats offer ergonomic luxury, while the rear boasts 4 inward-facing jump seats, delivering flexible utility without compromising style. Each seat is masterfully upholstered in single vertical diamond-stitched Hyde's Nappa leather. At the heart of Project Simon Says is the formidable GM LT4 6.2-litre supercharged V8, delivering an astonishing 640 horsepower, seamlessly mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Modern technology meets handcrafted legacy with a touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay integration, rear air conditioning, and multiple USB access points. Project Simon Says is not simply a Defender, it is a singular creation of refined adventure and bespoke power. Build yours today.